students, last two videos I discussed very good questions related to solving equations. In this video also, I am doing some more good problems. So different strategies of solving. So each strategy will help you to upgrade yourself to tackle new problems. So let us observe the solution of different questions. In fact, if you observe this question, here two variables. Generally, problem can be solved if there are number of equations and number of variables are same. But in this example, you have only one equation, two variables. So direct methods are helpless. So we must observe the problem which can give the solution. Let us take first expression 2x whole square 2 times 2x into 3 by 2, right? See, to get 6x. 9 by 4, I added and subtracted, which can be written as 2x plus 3 by 2 whole square plus 7 by 4. Similarly, second expression, if you consider 2y whole square minus 2 times 2y into 3 plus 9 plus 16, which can be written as 2y minus 3 whole square plus 4 whole equation I can write now plus 7 by 4 whole thing multiplied by plus 4 square, which is 28. Now this one is greater than 7 by 4. It is greater than, because square minimum is 0, greater than 16. That means LHS is greater than or equal to 7 by 4 into 16. So which is equal to 28. So but RHS is 28, which implies, which is possible when 2x plus 3 by 2 whole square is 0, 2y minus 3 0. So x is minus 3 by 4, y is 3 by 2. So you have 1x, 1y. There are not two solutions, unique solution. Number of solutions are 1. Here, 5 minus 2 root 6. It's not a direct quadratic, it's just solving type. So rationalizing, you get 25, 4 into 6, 24 by 5 plus 2 root 6, which is 5 plus 2 root 6 power minus. So if you assume 5 plus 2 root 6 power x square minus 3a. So based on the earlier step, generally what happens, if you see this problem solving, immediately you will not get idea. Sometimes you may miss some of the solutions. So to get all possible solutions, we have to solve in a systematic procedure. Here it is 10a plus 1 0. A will be 10 plus or minus 100 minus 4 by 2. 10 plus or minus root 96 by 2. You get here 4 into 16 into 6, that is 4 root 6 by 2. 5 plus or minus 2 root 6. So case 1, 5 plus 2 root 6 power x square minus 3 is a, which is 5 plus 2 root 6. From here, x square is 4. You have two solutions. Somebody, what they will do, substitute x equal to 2, LHS equal to RHS. So they immediately come to a conclusion, two solutions. So other possibility is 5 minus 2 root 6, which I wrote it as 5 plus 2 root 6 power minus 1. X square minus 3 is minus 1. So here x is plus or minus root. So the possible solutions, so number of solutions are this also seems to be simple question. Direct way of solving only squaring both sides, we get like this. 2x minus 6 is 25 plus x plus 4 minus 10 root x plus 4. So after simplification, minus 6 minus 29 minus 10 root x plus 4. X minus 35 again squaring 100 into x plus 4. 70x 35 square 1225 100x plus 400. So x square minus 170x plus 1225 minus 400. So what you get? 825 is equal to 0. So factorization 5 145, right? 5 into what you get? 2 times 529. 42, sorry, 5185. So we get here 165x minus 5x plus 825 0. X if you take x is 5 or 165. But we can't say two solutions. The reason is once you substitute 165, what will happen? Let us see. 2 into 165 minus 6 plus 165 plus 4. It is how much? 330 minus 6 plus 13. So this is nothing but 324, 31. But 31 cannot be 5. So if you, by default, if you write two solutions, there will be a problem. We did in a systematic procedure, but we got an solution, which is again we substitute, it is not satisfying. This is the solution of this equation. Once you raise the power, squaring, you get extra solution. That is very important point. So after raising, you got extra solution. That solution will satisfy original or not, we don't know. After getting solutions, we have to substitute that. If it is not satisfied, we have to eliminate. X is 5, it is satisfying. So answer is x equal to 5. There is only one solution. Here, x power 4 minus x cube minus x square minus 1. He given two functions. We have to relate them. So if you multiply x power 6, x power 5, x power 4, x square. Subtracting, they get cancelled out. X power 4 minus x. Again, 1 if I write, x power 4 minus x cube minus x square minus 1. Again subtracting x cube plus x square minus x minus 1. Just check it. It's power 5. All the terms I have taken, x cube, x square, x power 6, x power 4, x square, right? Here, minus x cube I didn't write. They get cancelled out. So right. So now x power 6, this whole thing is nothing but p of x, which can be written as this is q of x by just remainder theorem. Quotient into divisor plus remainder. Now he says alpha beta are the roots. If I write p alpha, I'll write here q alpha plus alpha square minus. Alpha is a root of this, means q of alpha is 0. So p of alpha is in a similar way. P of beta will be beta square minus beta plus 1. P of gamma will be this. P of delta will be delta square minus delta plus. Now, here, what he is asking, sum of all the roots. So that is sigma p alpha he is asking. Sigma alpha square minus sigma alpha plus sigma 1. Sigma alpha square we can write sigma alpha whole square minus sigma alpha beta. Sigma alpha means sum of the roots, right? Sigma alpha plus sigma 1 we are added 4 times. So here alpha, beta, gamma, delta are roots of q of x. That means sum of the roots alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta, which is equal to minus of minus x cube coefficient by x power 4. So that means here it is sigma alpha is 1 plus 4. And from the same equation, sigma of alpha beta is minus 1. Then here you will have minus 2 times minus 1. Sigma alpha we already calculated, minus 1 whole square, 1 plus 2 minus 1 plus 4. So which is equal to 6. First option is correct. So then this one, A, B, C, D are non-zero numbers. A, B, C, comma D are roots means C plus D is equal to minus A. C, D is B. A, B are roots of this. A plus B is minus C. A, B is D. Right. Now, from this, I'll just rewrite A plus C plus D is equal to 0. Just this also I will replace A plus B plus C is 0. From this equating AC get cancelled, we get B equal to D. Once B is D, this in place of D, I will write B, which is B times C minus 1, 0. He said B is non-zero, which implies C equal to 1. Right. So similarly, in place of B, in place of D, if I write in this equation, AB equal to B, so B times A minus 1, 0, B not equal to 0, which implies A is equal to 1. So I got A value, C value. So then how do you get remaining variables? Take this equation. D is minus A minus C. We get minus. Once D is 2, B is also minus. So A plus B plus C plus D will be 1 plus B value minus 2, C value 1, D value minus 2, and he is asking modulus. So how much? Minus 4 plus 2, we get answer as 2. Here, assume step of x square minus 2 as y, then equation becomes factorization gives you y minus 2 into y minus 2, 0. This introduction of step, that is what my intention in this giving this problem. Two values for this. So here it is x square minus 2 is 7. There are two cases now. So x square minus 2 is, what does it mean? Means it can be 2, 2.1 is 2, 2.99. It can't be 3. So it must lie between 2 and 3. So x square lies between 4 and 5. X lies between 2 and root 5. But the question is integral values he is asking between 2 and root 5. There is only one integer. Here it is the same way it lies between 7 and 8. Sorry, not just strictly lesser. X square is lies between 9 and 10. So in this case, so x square, x lies between 3 and root 10. So here positive integral value is this. Similarly, minus 3 also satisfies. Here also minus 2. So not in between 2 and root 5. One more possibility will be there. X also can be in between minus root 5. This is strictly lesser. Minus root 5 less than or equal to 2. So another possibility is -2. Here one more possibility, x lies between minus root 10 and 3. So here we say that there are -2, -3, +2, +3. So number of solutions are 4. Now this kind of problem, it is not a standard problem because all x's are not there. So we have one polynomial function followed by logarithmic function. This kind of problem you cannot solve directly. So what we need is a graphical help. So this one, LHS, if you say, it is x square minus 3x plus x minus 3. You'll have x into x minus 3 plus this. We get x plus 1 into x minus 3. It is a quadratic equation. So it passes through graphically. Let us take graph -1 and 3 are the roots. So it's a parabola. About this, log x graph will be, suppose you take not 1 minus x, first I am drawing basic graph. When x is 2, it is 2 to the base 2, 1. When x is 1, 0. When x is half, log half to the base 2, log 2 power minus 1, which is -1. So the graph comes like this. So here such thing happen, it is not defined at x equal to 1. So you draw a line, x equal to 1 becomes an asymptote to the given function. So after 1, so modulus is there, two graphs will come. So if you, this is the kind of graph you get. In a similar way, you get a graph like this because modulus is involved. So if you observe the graph, 2, 3, 4 point of intersections. So 4 solutions are possible. Now let us discuss the last problem. Say here alpha as 3 power log x to the base 3. Take log both sides. We get log 3 power log. So by property of logarithm, we can write which is root log 7 by root log 3 into log 3 get cancelled out. We get log 7 into log 3. Beta is 7 power log 3 to the base 7. So which implies log beta is log 3 to the base 7. After simplification, you get from here alpha is beta. Both are same. When roots are equal, discriminant is 0. B square minus 4ac is 0. Right. So just go through the questions, interesting questions. So in next consecutive videos, I will discuss some more problems.